Koongo is a platform for effortless integrations and product feed management. It provides direct integrations for a wide range of e-commerce platforms. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a product feed for Luigi's box. First, log in to your Koongo account. Then choose your e-commerce platform and connect your store, for example, Shopify. Once the connection is successful, you will see a list of your connected e-shops. Select the store you want to work with, and you will be taken to the dashboard. To create a feed for Luigi's box, navigate to the Feeds section and click on Add New. Next, you'll need to create a new feed profile. Simply select Luigi's box by clicking on its tile. In the following step, you can either register for a new Luigi's box account or use an existing one. Then choose the market, feed type, and format. In this example, we'll keep the default settings, product data feed in XML format. Finally, click the Add Feed Profile button. Once the feed profile is created, a new feed will be generated. Give it a moment, then refresh the page to see the number of products included in your newly created feed. You can now copy and paste the feed URL into your Luigi's box application. At the bottom of the screen, you can also preview the output XML feed. If needed, you can adjust the settings or apply product filters. These options are available in the top right corner. However, by default, everything is already set up and ready for use with Luigi's box. You can always review all your created feeds in the Feeds section. By clicking on the submission icon, you can access and use your prepared XML feed. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we wish you perfectly optimized product feeds.